Hello students, hello everybody. Welcome back to the class. This is Pradeep sir with another session of practical geometry where we were doing the constructions of quadrilateral. In the previous session, we have started the constructions of special quadrilaterals, and I have shown you how to construct parallelograms when different conditions are given. Okay, like two adjacent sides and one diagonal, or two adjacent sides and angles, or two diagonals and one side, like that. So today I shall start the construction of another special quadrilateral, that is rectangle, and if possible I shall show you the constructions of square and rhombus also. Okay, so let us start with the constructions of rectangle. So here is the question: construct a rectangle ABCD whose adjacent sides are 11 centimeter and 8.5 centimeter. We know the properties of rectangle. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal, as well as all the included angles are right angle. So when two adjacent sides of the rectangle are given, means we have got all the four sides. Opposite sides are 11 centimeter each, and means the longer sides are 11 centimeter each, and the shorter side we can say it as breadth also. So breadth will be 8.5 centimeter each. As well as we have also got one more information, that is 90 degree. All the angles are right angles. So all total 5 parts are required for construction of quadrilateral. So here we are getting all the 5 parts, all 4 sides as well as one of the angle, that is 90 degree. So first of all, one rough diagram. So this is a rough diagram, not according to the exact measurement. AB is 11, CD is also 11, BC is 8.5 and AD is 8.5, and these angles, as we all know, are right angles. All the angles are right angles. Okay. So first of all, we have to draw the lengths 11 centimeter and 8.5 centimeter. So this is 11 centimeter and this is 8.5 centimeter. 11 centimeter and 8.5 centimeter. Okay. Now here I have to draw a line. This is A and B is not known. We have to find B. Now with the help of compass, I have to take the measure 11 centimeter from this line. This is 11 centimeter. So take 11 centimeter from here and place the compass at A and then cut this line. This is B. Okay, and AB is 11 centimeter. Okay. Next, angle A and angle B both are 90 degree. So we have to construct this 90 degree. So I am showing you how to construct 90 degree. Though I know that everyone knows how to construct 90 degree. It is done in the lower classes. So still I am showing you. This is 90 degree. First an arc with any radius, and then with the same radius cut the arc at 2 points. Similarly here also same process will be followed. An arc with any radius, then cut this arc with the same radius. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, and here 90 degree. So 90 degree is drawn both at A and B. Next, what we have to do? We have to take the measure 8.5 centimeter, because AD and BC both are 8.5 centimeter. So I am taking 8.5 centimeter from this line. This is 8.5 centimeter. Place the compass at A and draw an arc to cut this 90 degree line. Similarly here also place the compass at B and cut the 90 degree line. So these are the two required points, C and D. This is C, this is D. Now I have to join these two. So ABCD is the required rectangle whose length is 11 centimeter and breadth is 8.5 centimeter. Means the adjacent sides are 11 centimeter and 8.5 centimeter. Hope you have understood that the construction of rectangle is really very easy, isn't it? Okay, so just go through the whole thing. This is one more question where it is given that construct a rectangle PQRS in which QR equals to 3.6 centimeter and diagonal PR is equals to 6 centimeter. So PQRS is the rectangle in which QR is 3.6 centimeter and the diagonal PR is 6 centimeter. Here also the included angles are right angle in a rectangle. Now this is the rectangle we need to construct here. So first of all, one line of 6 centimeter length and one line of 3.6 centimeter length to be drawn here. This is 6 centimeter and this is 3.6 centimeter. Okay. So first let me draw a line up. Since the length of PQ is not known, so I am drawing just a line where I know Q but I don't know P. Okay. So this is a straight line. This is Q and P is not known, so keep it like this. At Q the angle is 90 degree, so let me construct 90 degree here at Q. Placing the compass at Q, an arc is drawn with any radius and then cut the arc first at 60 degree with same radius and then at 120 degree with same radius and then cut another arc here and place the compass on 120 degree point and cut the previous arc. So this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree first let me find R. The point R, the vertex R is on the 90-degree line, here on this line. So QR is 3.6 centimeter. Let me take this length 3.6 centimeter. This is 3.6. Placing the compass at Q, an arc is drawn to cut the 90-degree line at R. So this is point R. Okay. So up to this is okay. Yes. Now I have to draw the diagonal PR. Though I don't know where is P, but I know that PR has length 6 centimeter. So let me take 6 centimeter from here. This is 6 centimeter. So R is known. From R to P is 6 centimeter. So from R I am placing the compass at R, and this is radius of 6 centimeter. An arc is drawn to intersect the baseline. Okay. So this is P. This is P. Understood all of you? So in this way I have got the point P also. Now let me join P and R, that is the diagonal PR. So this diagonal is drawn PR. Now here I am going to use the properties of rectangle, that is opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So now QR is equal to PS. So if QR is 3.6 centimeter, then PS is also 3.6 centimeter. So let me take 3.6 centimeter. Placing the compass at P, an arc is drawn of radius 3.6 centimeter, because PS is also 3.6 as QR is 3.6. So from P an arc is drawn with radius 3.6 centimeter. Now we have got PQ. So length of PQ and length of RS are equal. PQ and RS are equal. So let me take the length PQ from this diagram. So this is PQ. This is PQ. So the compass will be placed at R like this, and then the previous arc will be cut like this. So this is the point S. Okay. RS is equal to PQ. Now PS, P and S are joined. Similarly, Q and R are also joined. Understood? So since in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal, so that is why I have taken the length RS equals to PQ, because PQ is already obtained. I have already got PQ. So taking the length PQ equals to RS, I have made an arc to cut the previous arc here at S. Now PS and RS are joined, so the rectangle PQRS is drawn, where PR is 6 centimeter, QR is 3.6 centimeter. Okay, and this is of course 90 degree, as you all know. Included angles of rectangles are right angles. So this is the required rectangle which is given in the question. Understood? So in this way construction of rectangle can be done, which is very easy. Now I am going to show you how to construct a square when the side of the square is given. Construct a square each of whose sides measure 6.4 centimeter. In a square all four sides are equal. That means we have to construct all the sides equals to 6.4 centimeter, and also we know that In a square, the included angles are right angles. Therefore, the 5 parts which is required for construction of quadrilaterals are there, of the 4 sides as well as one of the included angle. So, first of all, uh, suppose the square is ABCD and all the 4 sides measure 6.4 centimeter and included angles are 90 degree each. Now, for the sake of better understanding, a rough diagram is always required. If you don't want to draw a rough diagram for square, marks will not be deducted, but still it is for your better understanding that if you draw the square, then you will get an idea which side I have to construct, where to take the arc and from where to cut the arc, like that. So ABCD is a square whose each side measures 6.4 centimeter, and here a line, I'm drawing a line of length 6.4 centimeter. This is 6.4 centimeter. Now, with the help of a ruler, draw any line. Suppose this is A. I have to find the point B here on the line, and since AB is 6.4 centimeter, so let me take this measure as 6.4 centimeter. This is 6.4. So here it is 6.4. This is B and this is 6.4 centimeter. Now we all know that the included angles of square are right angles. So at A and B, both at A and B, I have to draw 90 degrees, the right angles. Okay. So first, with the help of compass, let me draw 90 degree here. With the same radius, this arc will be cut. So this is 90 degree here. Similarly, at B also have to draw 90 degree. Therefore, 90 degrees are drawn both at A and B. Now let me join these lines, these points. So as all the four sides of a square are equal, means I have to take the length of 6.4 centimeter and cut these two 90 degrees. This 6.4. So here this is also 6.4 and this is also 6.4. Okay. That means this is C and this point is D. So C and D are joined. Therefore, ABCD is the required square whose each sides measure 6.4 centimeter. Hope you have understood how to construct a square when only one side is given. Understood? Okay. So that's all for today. In the next class, I will show you how to construct square when the diagonals are given only one diagonals. As we know that in a square both the diagonals are of equal length. So only one diagonal will be given. From that information, we have to draw a square. I shall also show you how to construct rhombus. Okay. So let us meet in the next class. Till then, practice all the sums which we have done today. Hope you will be able to do it by yourself. Okay. So meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.